Why question papers are so tough? In my school days, whenever I see a science question paper, I used to get nervous. I don't know why I hate science. But that actually made me understand one thing. Whenever I write an exam, it is okay. At that moment, it is like everything is going fine and I know the answer, I kept the correct answer and all. But once I come out of the examination, the answer will be something else. People will be discussing something else and my answer is something else. So at this point, I always used to think, why for me only the question paper is tough? Even though it looked like simple for me, but after coming out, it looked like a different world. I started thinking about this, how I can actually come out of this feeling of question paper is so tough. After completing of my 10th, in my plus 1 and plus 2, I came to know that I am making myself and preparing myself, telling to myself that I am not good at it. Apart from that, I am not preparing. So in my mind already it is been fixed that I am not good at science. So because of that, I am not able to prepare. So again, it's a mind game. Apart from that, my preparation is not good. So this has a lot of impact on my science. Fortunately, I was not there into science and all. I am into mathematics mostly. A lot of my marks which I gained, everything is in mathematics. But I learned that lesson in my plus 2. So I understood that it is my fear of going towards that subject. So in the same way in my life as well, if I feel that is not my one, or if I feel I'm not good at that, I started working on top of it. I started going against that. So in this way, I came across a lot of fears. In that, the one is about public speaking. So today I am able to speak because I had a fear in my past. What about you? What you have came across in your life?